Hi everybody, today I am super excited because this is the last series of the first 30 days experience on YouTube series. In today's video, I am going to be giving you my general viewpoint on YouTube. I'll be bringing to you my expectations, what I got, the journey, general guide on starting up YouTube channel and if it is good for you or not. This is pack of information. Stay tuned and please don't go anywhere. Shout out to all my subscribers. Click the subscribe button if you haven't, and if you had been on this journey with me, thank you. I am super excited because without you this video won't go anywhere. Please keep on liking, keep on subscribing, keep on commenting. Thank you for all you're doing and thank you for all you will still do in the future. Tellasis is here to stay and without you it wouldn't stay. Thank you so much love. I love you. Let's go into the video. Expectations. What are my expectations joining YouTube channel? I watch YouTube content, but I've actually never thought of becoming a YouTuber until the interest to review things kept creeping in on me. So I joined YouTube. Although before joining YouTube, I had been creating videos that I never actually posted anywhere, not even on my Instagram page. I've never actually posted these videos anyway, and these videos are actually videos of products that I actually loved, saved money and bought these products, and I'll make video of the unboxing, review them, but not actually post them. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, because I really don't know why I do this. I decided, oh yeah, YouTube channel can be the perfect place to post these videos. I was like thinking it's easy. I actually thought YouTube is very easy. And I know so many people are thinking the same way. So when I created my YouTube channel, I just said, okay, that's it. I'm just gonna outsource everything. And then the next thing is gonna be coming in and I'm gonna be posting it like that. And then videos will be everywhere. And I didn't do the due diligence things that I am supposed to do. Did it work out that way? No way. Okay. Check my video up there, how the outsourcing went and the lessons I learned from it. The card is up there, so click on it for you to watch it. Anyways, these outcomes is a great school of thought because I learned a whole deal from the experiences, because from the excitement that I felt when I created the YouTube channel, the excitement was like at that point I have to go into editing videos by myself, and these things I really have never tried it. I never thought I would do it. I never wanted to do it. I just wanted an easy life. Believe me, if somebody had told me that YouTube channel is this tough, I'm sure I wouldn't be a YouTuber yet. Maybe I will think about it, but and I may never do, because I kind of don't want stress, but then because I jumped into it without thinking too much, I got the pepper sauce. So this dwindled down to most of regrets, and I wouldn't have gone there because I have to sacrifice so many things I am doing and dedicate the time to YouTube channel to edit my videos. Most times, in fact half of the time, I am editing videos in between tiredness and sleepiness. You can see the clip of me falling asleep. This is a typical example of my every time editing videos. So it's not easy. From the mode of excitement drop down to mode of regret and mode sleepless night and mode whatever, until then I achieved the result. It switched again to mode excitement. But the fact remains that all these experience of sleepless night in editing, it's a continuous process until the time comes for me to start outsourcing editing. But now I am still doing it all by myself. So this will lead me to the journey. These first 30 days is a great school of thought, a great lesson, and a great experience. So I am going to be sharing with you right now what I learned out of it, and how it will help you when you are going into the same journey in case you want to start a YouTube channel. Or even generally, you can apply it in your general life. It doesn't have to be only for YouTube channel. It can be for any other business that you want to jump into. So let's get into these details. Before I go into these details, don't forget to click on my travel website www.lonzy.com. The link is down below to access my travel website for all your travel needs. There are so many slash prices going on in some of the hotels. Your clicking is a good plus for me because you supporting the link is also supporting this channel. Oh well, I learned tons of lessons. Here are the following lessons I learned from this journey. The first thing you need to do when you are starting your YouTube channel is research. Research, research, research. I keep on saying it. I said it in all my videos because this is really important. When you research, you will be able to know the right things that you need to do. So, for example, you have to research about tons of videos that resemble your idea to know what you are doing. You have to make sure your channel name is unique to you. For example, I didn't make this research. I actually just chose a name. I actually chose the first time Tellasis unboxing. But at the end of the day, I decided to remove unboxing that is attached to it because I observed that my topic is going to be broader than just unboxing, because it will just limit my channel to be only unboxing. I wanted to attract so many people. I wanted to try so many things. So by the time I removed the unboxing, I was left with only Tellasis. Until I launched my first video, I never knew someone else is bearing Tellasis. If you make a search of my name right now, you will see that there is another Tellasis. So because of this, my channel name is gonna be changing after this series. I have created a name, but I have not really made up my mind about it. But definitely after this series, my channel name is changing. Watch out for it, because Tellasis is not going to fly for me. I really need to change it. So you need to research and make sure your name is unique to you. And you need to research to make sure that the apps you are using are the apps that you really need for the first time. Basically, I am using more of Fonto for making my thumbnails. The rest of the apps are the apps that are already on my iPhone, which is iMovie, and I use it for my editing, everything. For monitoring my channel, I am using vidIQ and TubeBuddy. The second point is plan. Planning is really very important. You need to plan your first video so that you will be able to layer them. If you don't plan your videos ahead of time and you create your channel, it will delay you a bit. It happened to me. I created my channel name and it took me another 2 weeks before I was able to upload my first video. Why? Like I said previously, prior to me existing on YouTube, I've been making videos of me unboxing products that I really loved that I bought, but I didn't plan them. I found out that they are not gonna be a matching video to just fly immediately when I am starting my YouTube channel. I figured that it would be better for me to have kind of intro video or kind of a video that will launch my channel into the game before I start putting up all those ones that I already pre-made. So at the end of the day, I didn't plan, right? So you really need to plan your videos so that you will be able to layer them. Planning is key to everything, not just for YouTube channel, but for every business, everything that you are doing in life, for you to be able to succeed. So I will advise you, if you are going into YouTube channel, make a plan of your videos, what you want to start with, the next one, at least have about 3 videos before you create your channel. You need to make up your mind with all the videos you have before you register your name, so that once you register your name, immediately you will launch your video. So that way YouTube will know that you are ready. And once you launch, keep on going, either weekly or bi-weekly or twice a week. Just choose a way of uploading that is comfortable with you, that will not weigh you down. And another thing you have to think about is your channel color. Think about a color that resonates with you, that you don't mind keeping for a long time. You can change it anyway, but at least have a specific color. To get ready your banner and intro, if you want to have intro, or end clip if you want to have that. Use your natural idea that can flow organically. So when you're making video, make sure that you make use of your natural ideas that will flow organically. Don't try to overcopy people, because when you overcopy people, you might not be able to flow, because it's your first time. You will actually be kind of afraid of camera, even though nobody is watching you while you're videoing it, but you will feel a kind of uncomfortable while you are doing this. Make a schedule that this is how you're gonna be doing. Maybe you're gonna be making videos so and so day, and you're gonna be editing takes a long time. It takes you maybe a whole day to do editing, so you can actually take a day or 2 days off to make your video, and then the next one is for editing. So you really need to pre-plan this before you start up your channel. So another one I will talk about is posting your videos. If you're using apps like vidIQ or TubeBuddy, that will always suggest to you to share your video here, share your video here, share your video here. Know that if you are advertising a content that does not resonate with the people on that social media, it doesn't make sense, because they will just click away and never go back. And if they happen to subscribe and then YouTube is suggesting something to them and they are not going back, this will actually affect the rate at which your video is being pushed out by YouTube algorithm. The algorithm will be looking up to my subscribers to watch my videos first before it will even trigger it to start suggesting it to other people. So I would suggest, instead of making people who really will not come back to your channel to subscribe to your channel, it is better to allow YouTube to suggest your video to people. Let them naturally subscribe to your channel. So my advice here would be, if you are starting, it will be advisable to ask those you consider as your first subscribers what their interest will be. So you create a video that will interest them, and continue finding a way to incorporate your own interest into that idea, if it will match. But if it wouldn't match, feel free to do what you want to do right away. This is just to increase your viewership and the rate at which YouTube is suggesting your video to other viewers. Because if you post your video at the first time, the first people your video will be pushed out to are your subscribers. Then if your subscribers quickly clicks on your video, that will alert the YouTube algorithm that this video is a thing, and they will start suggesting it to other like-minded people who are not even your subscribers. And again, if the video now kind of attracts the viewer and for them to watch the end, the more they watch, they will have the interest, okay, let me subscribe because I want to get more of this video.
I will suggest posting on social media links or groups that have link with what your video is talking about. That way you will gain more subscribers and more views. That's what I am doing now. Don't waste your time on social media links that have nothing to do with your channel.
So it will be good to research, even though what I am doing is what I like, but I'm trying to fine-tune my interest and see how I am gonna incorporate more interesting things that will get people glued. So this is an advice I'm giving you, a tip I learned on this journey that I actually wasn't aware of when I started my YouTube channel, and I am learning it the hard way. So I am telling you that because I do not want you to beat around the bush, just as I did to discover it at the last time. And mind you, in as much as you're pushing out your channel for people to subscribe, make sure to push out people that will continuously go back to your channel and view every of your video, because the same thing applies. If your subscribers are not viewing your videos, then the rate at which YouTube is going to be suggesting it to other viewers will decline. So this is really important. You can as well actually talk to your subscribers that it is important for them to view and watch. I try all the time to say please view to the end, and in any way, even if it is in text or word of mouth, I try to say this to all my subscribers because it's important for us small YouTubers. The bonus point I have for you on this video is, before you start your YouTube channel, if you really want to hook onto your friends and family whom you are likely gonna have first as your first subscribers and hold them up there to keep coming back and to keep watching, ask them the kind of content that they will really want you to put out if you cannot figure it out. So you will put out a video that will interest them, so something that will make them to come back and look at it. That way you will start up with that while you are gradually integrating your real niche. So this is it. I hope this video catches your somewhere in your heart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and watch out for part 2.